Hi guys, welcome to My Parent. Hope you're healthy and doing well despite the second lockdown. But anyway, it's for safety, and tell you what, there's one way we can make you staying at home easier, and that's by making house hunting a thing you can easily do well at home. So, in today's video, we cover yet another high-endish apartment, but that's just because I know you guys will make it soon if you haven't already. Plus, this development is a sister to the one in our previous video. If you haven't watched that, link is in the description. Okay, enough talk from me. Welcome to Natureville Meadows. And that's the end of the house tour. As usual, if interested in this property, click on the link down in the description. It will take you to the houses page on the website, and there you'll find all the details you need. If you're not interested, no worries, we have plenty of other rental properties you can check out. Just head on to our website and browse through the properties. It's absolutely free, we don't charge, neither do we have viewing fees or any of that stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, also you could browse through our YouTube catalog because we have videos for all the houses we list. But anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. My name is Tom. Have a great day.
Mr. 254